Alright, I'm going to show you how to add different posts to your theme. So let's go and just start by adding just a standard regular post. So obviously under posts, you would just add a new post. So let's go and just call this one a standard post. Example. So that's obviously going to be the title of your post. And then under here, you have formats of posts. So you have a standard one, which is what we're going to do. You have a gallery, which is just, you've seen that on the live preview. Then you can do videos, audio, quotes, and links. And then we'll touch on all of those. Then the next option you have is a category. So let's go and add a category. And this is just, in the live preview, I had like world news, business, art. So let's go and just do like, let's do photography on this one. Just so then our post is being posted in the photography category. Pretty simple. Then tags. This is something you can use or you don't need to. It's just tagging the post. And these show up at the bottom of the post if you want. So I'm going to go and just add this one. I'll just put snow and then photography, photos, and then you can add some tags. And then of course, if you don't want to use some of these options, you can just leave them blank and they won't show up. So then we can just, let's go and add some content, some dummy text in there. All right. And then we can publish our post. And now if we go to our post, you can see it. Ignore this headliner, we just haven't set up our homepage yet. Once you set up your homepage, you won't get this up here. So basically what you're seeing is your headline, and then you see an excerpt, and then once you click on the post, you get all the text and the headline, and then of course you get the category right there, which is pretty nice. And then your tags show up at the bottom is what I was explaining before. And if you don't have any tags, they just don't display anything. So it's pretty cool. But let's say you wanted to have specify what text displays up here on the index. That's done by, it's called an excerpt. And it should display at the bottom down here. It should say an excerpt. And if it doesn't, like it doesn't for us, you just need to turn it on one time, and that's under this top right. It says screen options, and you obviously have to be in posts. Make sure you're editing a post. And then there's a whole bunch of options. You're just looking for excerpt. So once you've clicked excerpt, we can close the screen options, and then you'll scroll down and you see your excerpt. So here's an example excerpt. And then I'll update the post and you can actually see what that does now. So when I refresh it, only the excerpt displays on the index, and then when we visit the page, only the content displays here. So it's pretty cool if you want to have special content up there. Otherwise, you can just have the excerpt just automatically cut off. I think it's like 150 characters or something like that. It's just a standard WordPress function. So to get your image is the last thing we'll go over for a standard post. Is super easy. We just add a media and we just drag and drop an image in there, or you can select one from your computer. So once your image has been uploaded, you just go to set featured image, and then you'll select the image that you just uploaded. So set featured image, and then down here on the right you click set featured image. So make sure you're in the set featured image. That's key. Don't add it to your post. You have to click set featured image, and then it'll show up down here. So once again, that's under add media. You go to set featured image, this text thing, so it turns black, highlights it, and then you select it, and then it's set featured image. And nothing will pull into here, it comes down here. And then we'll update our post. And now when we refresh it, we get our sweet already formatted photo. And then you get one as well on the post now, so it's pretty cool. So that's how you do a standard post. Very simple. You have some options for categories, tags, things like that, and the image.